Want to give your WordPress site a fresh new look? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change fonts in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. First, log into your WordPress account and head over to your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Appearance, then select Editor. This will open up the site editor where you can customize your theme. Next, look for Styles. Inside Styles, click on Typography. This is where you control your site's fonts from headings to body text. Now, simply browse through the font options. Pick the one that fits your brand best and preview how it looks on your site. Once you're happy with the choice, hit Save to apply it site-wide. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've updated your WordPress font and refreshed your entire site's design. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips.